Today's one of those days where I felt I had to be real matchy with it. Polo 92. Polo 92. As you know, I'm a low head. Not like a low life. I admire those dudes though. They do their thing. New York, that's where I'm from. So low lives, Thurston Howell, that's my guy. But look, it's about shoes today. And I got a shoe that I have no clue about what it is or what it came from. It's a Dunk. So let me make sure it's the right Dunk. Oh yeah, it is. So yeah, I'm going to look this up as we go along with it. Because this shoe, when I saw it, I was like, that is dope. And I had to go get myself a pair. They don't fit me. It's a women's shoe. It's the Dunk Low Easter Candy. Let's go. So, I've hit on a few Dunks lately on the sneakers app, and I've been stockpiling stuff, trying to just get my way around here. But this was a different one because, yeah, I was looking, I was like, yo, those colors are dope. Mind you, I have not looked at this yet, so this is gonna be my first time actually looking at it, and I bought it in my wife's size, so I picked it out specifically. So I was like, it's a women's shoe. If I want to keep it, I want to keep it and give it to the wife or whatever. She rejected my gift because she is, at the end of the day, a very, very conservative when it comes to sneakers. She doesn't care for sneakers. She wears flats all the time, like ballerina slippers. She wears sneakers all the time, mind you, but they're always her running shoes. And I keep telling her, do not wear out your running shoes just doing casual things in them, but she does it anyway. And she ends up spending about $150 to $200 on new running shoes. So can't stop her from being her. And I always tell her to stockpile because they come out with new ones. You always have to be fitted. But anyway, this shoe right here is different. I like it a lot. I'm gonna hold it for a little bit, but I want y'all to see it because it's cool. I like cool things. So, getting into it. Boom. And boom. Now, this came out in June. It's a women's release only. Came out June 25th. It's one of those it's the shoe, one shoe doesn't match the other. So what's cool about this is that they flipped all the colors around and made them all different. It's really cool the way they did this. They flipped this a lot. But the colors just pop, man. Look at that. Like, I wish they did a men's shoe like this. Maybe make them a little, like, even in this color, I ain't going front. I rock this color. Oh, these colors, I mean, this is dope. So this one has kind of a fat tongue. It's not an SB. Just a regular, like, what do they call them, sportswear Dunk or regular Dunk, whatever. But I always say with Dunks, if you have a wide foot, definitely go try to get a half a size if you can. They're rare. They're hard to hit on sneakers and what have you. But I, was lucky. I got them both. And I think this one, honestly, if you're looking to flip, hold it for a little bit because it will be worth something in the coming months. Maybe next summer it'll be popping. Because these, man, look at that. Just the colors, man. It's just a dope shoe. Maybe next Easter these things will be popping. I don't know. I just got tantalized by them and bought them, and I was like, yo, these are dope. I need to get them. So that's it. I'm keeping it short this one because a cool thing right here, the Nike on the back is all yellow too. So that's cool. They kept that kind of uniform. Nike always throws some weird curveballs at you. We'll see. I'm gonna try to convince my wife to keep these in the rotation because they are fly. And they are a shoe that, and she actually liked them. She said, "Oh, those are nice," and then she was like, "Yeah, I'm not gonna wear them." And I was like, "Okay." So I was flipping for like $200. They're gonna be like $200, which they are. They're running up there. They're running up in price. Right now, this is size 8, and no, 9.5 in women's. Yeah, 9.5 in women's. going for about buck 30. Damn StockX. Well, 140 was the last sale. Whatever. But, you know, that's $40 over, well, $40 over retail after fees and stuff. You kind of break even, so I'll hold on to them for a little bit longer. But anyway, yeah, it's a good shoe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you a dude, would you rock these? You let me know. I know I would. Oh, this is dope too. Look, it's like speckled. That's dope. You know, I'm like a kid when I see shoes that I'm not really cool, like with, you know, Dunks and stuff like that. I'm not really into the history. I used to buy Dunks at discounts, man. I'm gonna review another Dunk in a minute, but like I used to buy them at like Marshalls and stuff just to go with regular fits, like a flannel shirt, whatever I had. Like they were just throwaway shoes for me at some point. Now it's like they're the hype shoe, and it's whatever. And then only special editions. I wish I had all those Dunks that I had back in the day, because I'm pretty sure they're worth something in the aftermarket now. But it is what it is. And we're here now, and they got new, fresher styles. And they're a hype shoe. So that's that. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Subscribe to the podcast. Subscribe to the channel. Give a thumbs up. Get at me if you really like real shoes being reviewed on the channel. And all that. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Peace.